Are you looking for a way to maximize the weight and growth of your poultry and livestock chickens period to the market? Or you want to sell them quicker and they are not gaining weight? Watch this video.
Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. I remain your humble servant, and I've come with a very good topic to help you reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animal, and at the same time, how to gain massive weight within a short period of time. You know, we have dry feed, you know, you have fermented feed, and I know you are aware that we have wet feed. The only thing I am not sure is whether you know that wet feed is rich. In this particular content, I'm going to guide you how to boost the growth weight of your poultry birds within a short period of time with wet poultry feed. The secret to rapid chicken weight gain you need to know. Don't go far. Watch this video to the end and see how we're going to do it. Are you looking for a simple yet highly effective way to boost the weight of your chicken within a short period of time, most especially when you want to take the chicken to the market, when they want to come and carry the chicken, when they want to weigh the chicken, at that last minute, we call it 12th hour magic in poultry feed. If you don't know this secret, learn it from here. Weight feed is the ultimate to gain massive weight within a short period of time. Weight poultry feed provides an alternate way to maximize your chicken growth and weight within a short period of time. Wet poultry feed might just be the game changer your flock needs. This often overlooked techniques can significantly improve feed intake, digestion, and weight gain, leading to healthier, more profitable chickens in short period of time. In this particular video, we are going to dive deep into how we can use weight feed to maximize the weight and how it works, its advantages, and how to use it correctly to maximize your flock's growth. Make sure you don't go far. What are the advantages of weight feed over other types of feed like dried feed, fermented feed? 1. Improved digestion. Weight feed is easier for chickens to digest, allowing them to absorb more nutrients in short period of time. Increase feed intake. Chickens find weight feed more palatable, which encourages them to eat more, leading to faster growth. 3. Better hydration. Weight feed provides additional moisture, keeping your chicken hydrated, especially during the hot period. You know that chickens eat feed, they go and drink. Once they eat, they go and drink. This up and down movement, to and fro movement, always gives them time and discourages them from eating more. But once the feed is wet, both the water and the feed is in one place, they continue eating without that up and down movement. So this helps them to eat more feed and at the same time to enable them digest and convert it for you in a short period of time. Better hydration. Weight feed provides additional moisture, keeping your chicken flock hydrated, especially during the hot period. It reduces feed intake. Weight feed sticks together because it is mold like pap, reducing spillage and ensuring your chickens consume everything that is in the feed. There is something most farmers don't know. When you see after eating, you see some leftovers, something like powdered form in the feeders. This is as a result of the micronutrients that are left over. These micronutrients helps to facilitate their growth. But once they are left there, most of the times some farmers will just pour it away and add new feed without knowing that those ones you are pouring away are the major ingredients, are the major nutrients, are the major feed resources that will help to grow them faster. when the feed is wet, everything is mixed together completely. So there is no way they can be separated. So they eat everything together at the same time. Next one is enhance nutrient absorption. Moist feed enhances nutrients absorption, and it makes both the vitamins and minerals to promote the weight and growth of your poultry birds within a short period of time. So what happens to the chemical formation of the feed when it is wet? Poultry feed becomes wet when you add water to it. That moisture activates natural enzymes in the grains, breaking down complex carbohydrates and proteins into simpler and more digestive forms. This enzymatic breakdown makes the nutrients more bioavailable to chickens, leading to efficient and faster feed conversion and quicker growth rate. When and how to feed wet feed to your chickens? Feed wet feed to your chickens during the same time you feed the dry feed, but it is preferable during the morning and evening time when they are hungry. This helps maximize their intake and weight gain. How do you feed them wet feed? Mix water to the same dry feed you normally give them. Allow the water to sink to that feed between 15 to 30 minutes, and that will enable the feed to turn into porridge like consistency.
Here you need to mix the feed ingredients properly. You can see the ingredients here: the corn, the soya bean, the pancake cake, and other ingredients. Mix them together before you now give it to your chickens. You can see, are you seeing it? Here you can see how they are rushing this feed. You only add little quantity of water. Make sure the water does not exceed the quantity of the feed. Chicken loves eating wet feed more than dry feed.
Avoid making it too watery, please. Stir the mixture thoroughly and let it sit for up to 30 minutes before serving to your chicken. Always use fresh, clean water and ensure that the feed is prepared hygienically to prevent any contamination. Which breed of birds and which this is applicable to any poultry, any feathered birds can take this. For chicks between 0 to 4 weeks, offer wet feed in small quantities once or twice a day to encourage feed intake and growth. For growers 4 to 12 weeks, gradually increase the amount of feed as they grow, feeding them twice daily for maximum results. Then for broilers from 6 weeks to 12 weeks, provide larger portion of wet feed twice daily to boost their growth before market. Make sure you give this consistently that week of the market. So by using wet poultry feed, you are saving cost. It is easy and it is efficient, and it also enhances the chicken growth and maximize your profit. If not only improve digestion and nutrient absorption, but also encourages your chickens and birds to eat more, leading to rapid weight gain. Try incorporating wet feed into your poultry farming routine and watch your chickens thrive like never before. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not done so and activate the bell notification. Share this video and like it if you have gained an iota of knowledge from this video. Like it, share to reach more farmers. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go far. And if you have any comment, drop it. And if you have any question at all regarding this topic or any other topic you have already learned from this channel, drop it on the comment section. I will also guide you. Thank you once again. Bye for now.
This is one of the best feed formats. Chicken love eating very well at any season and any time.